Mr. Chair, I directed
Andale
the
po.
question. Mr.
Please
Chair,
wait
was
to be
the
recognized.
Honorable...
Congressman Marcolita, wait to
Chairman.
be recognized.
Mr. Chairman, I have all the right.
You
the
have
question was addressed to the mandate and authority to audit accounts on the expenses or expenditures of government is only the COA. I am raising a constitutional issue before this committee, Mr. Chair. We cannot arrogate upon ourselves the principal mandate reposed to the COA. It is the Constitution itself which gave them that responsibility, that authority and mandate. Where in Article 7 of the Philippine Constitution, which is the grant of legislative power, can this committee arrogate upon itself that particular mandate? I would like that question to be answered, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Marcoleta. The Chair would like to recognize the Honorable Congressman Paduano.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, just to clear it out with regards to the jurisprudence that's cited by the Honorable Marcoleta with regards to Ong versus Senate. That is true. No, that the resolution of the Supreme Court favors Lincoln Ong, but that is a question of due process because Lincoln Ong was that time was cited in contempt. Now, question the case of
Mr. Chair, I directed
Andale
the
po.
question to you.
I am not yet finished my manifestation or answer to the query of the Honorable Marcoleta. Mr. Chairman.
Mr.
Please
Chair,
wait
was
to be
the
recognized.
Honorable...
Congressman Marcoleta, wait to
Chairman.
be recognized.
Mr. Chairman, I have all the right.
Paduano, you
the
have
question was addressed to... In respect to the Chair, I'd like the Chair to answer. This is a constitutional issue.
Congressman Marcoleta, let me first recognize Congressman Paduano.
Before you answer, before you recognize him,
Congressman Marcoleta, you are out of order.
I deserve, Mr. Chair, an answer.
1 minute suspension is declared by the Chair.
Bakit sa'yo?